Hello, today this video we will be discussing about exercise. Last two videos we were discussing about the topic called as nutrition. The whole new start we were discussing in the first video. New start means N is for nutrition, E is for exercise, W for water, S for sunlight, T for temperance, A for air, R for rest, and T for trust in God. Today we'll be dealing about the topic called as exercise. What is exercise? It is a bodily movement that enhances and maintains your physical fitness, and also it improves your health and wellness. Why do we need to do exercise? What is the use of exercise? First thing is it improves your muscle strength. Okay, when we do exercise, a lot of amount of blood gushes through the capillaries. These blood contains lot amount of oxygen. This helps in the improvement and growth of the muscle cells. Such a way the strength of your muscles increases. The second thing is we will have an improved memory, and also our aging will be prevented. The two things which our brain does is there are certain things, so many things the brain does, but the two main things which they does is, one is they do decision making, and second thing is the memory power. Okay, these things are controlled by the decision making is controlled by prefrontal area, and the memory thing, the long term memory, is done by the hippocampus area. These two areas should be these two areas we need to protect them. Then only we can prevent the old age diseases such as Alzheimer's, delirium, dementia. When we do exercise, a lot of neurotransmitters such as norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin is released. This will help us to protect our brain from any damage. So such a way we can increase our memory too. For all the small children and the kids who are studying, and also all the generation, you are supposed to do such more exercise, at least 30 minutes of exercise, so that you can have an improved memory and you can prevent aging. The next thing is the cardiovascular system. When the more blood gushes into the heart muscles, the cells get improved, and the cardiovascular system gets much improved. Okay, these cells, when cardiac muscles get improved, the cardiac output will be increased. Then such a way we can maintain the normal blood pressure level. The next thing is the weight loss. When the cardiac muscles gets improved, we can have a good cardiac output, and by this scenario we can make an ideal weight. We can manage an ideal weight by exercise. By doing these exercise, not only we can improve our mental health, not only we can improve our physical health, but also we can improve our social health. How can we improve our social health? When we do for exercise, when we go to gym, or when we start walking, we will get some companions. By talking to them, we can improve our communication skills. Such way we can improve our social skills too. By doing exercise, nothing is going to lose for you. Nothing is going to lose. Only what we need is not going to lose. The thing which is getting loose is only the fat. That is not useful for you. So try to do exercise and try to remove your bad fat from your body. Then before we could do exercise, what are the things you need to remember? The first thing, you need to warm up before you do certain exercises. If it is walking, or if you are going to gym, before that you need to do warm up. Just stretching your exercise, stretching your muscles, or doing certain bodily movements will warm up your body. The second thing, you need to drink a lot of water, then only you can have an hydrated body. If you doesn't drink, the all bodily fluids are dehydrated and going out of the pores of your skin, so you may get into dehydrated. So you need to drink a lot of water. When we go for a walk, you need to keep it in your mind that you need to start with small distances. Not first, you should not walk a long distance. You need to start with small distances. After that only you need to gradually you can increase your distance. The next thing you need to keep it in mind, if you can't go to gym or you can't go for a walk outside, you can do your exercise within your home, or otherwise you can do a walking around your home. So don't hesitate to do exercise. It is useful for you. The next thing you need to remember, not only exercise is important. In first video I have told you it is important to have your food. What are the ingredients were there in the Daniel's plan of plant diet plate? What was there? First thing, it was the nuts, the pulses and grains, these vegetables, fruits, and at last you need to drink a lot of water too. This water topic we will be discussing in next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and also share to others to know the importance of new start in your life. May God bless you. Thank you.